stuff. Let me get around these people. I tell you, I got this car, right?
Yeah, somebody told you about it, right?
Yeah. Called me up to wish me happy birthday. Saturday. Said, I know your birthday's in August, but I don't remember the day. And I told them about my trouble with the car. And they said, why don't someone sell a Mazda 3 stick shift? Really? If I call them, I want to look for it. Your side over there.
Mm-hmm.
Was all, well, the two doors were screwed up because the guy that owned it lived in Manhattan, but he didn't park it over there. He used to, I think. He parked at his cousin's house down in some town I never heard of, New Jersey.
Mm-hmm.
And he had a truck that was parked cockeyed on the street always. And then his cousin tried to be helpful, I guess, and fill it over some crap. I took him to a couple of body places.
Yeah.
They said he did more harm than good. It's going to be a bitch to get out. That's what they told me when I was. So I had it fixed. Anyway, long story short, it cost me $1,100. I went to about 5 different body shops.